Hey there, outdoor adventurers! Welcome back to the Amazing Picks. Today, we're diving into the top camping stoves of 2024, covering everything you need to know, from power and efficiency to weight and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just getting started, these stoves are sure to make your outdoor cooking experience a breeze. Stick around until the end to discover our number one pick and a bonus tip you won't want to miss. Number 6. JetBoil Flash Cooking System. First up is the JetBoil Flash Cooking System, the ultimate choice for campers who need speed and efficiency without sacrificing convenience. If you're someone who wants to get your hot meal or drink fast, especially in the chilly mornings, this stove is built for you. The Flash is renowned for its rapid boil time, bringing 16 ounces of water to a boil in just 100 seconds. That's less than 2 minutes to have your coffee or meal ready to go. This speed doesn't come at the cost of fuel efficiency either. The system is designed with JetBoil's signature flux ring technology, which maximizes heat transfer to the cooking cup, ensuring you use less fuel. Weighing in at just 13.1 ounces, the JetBoil Flash is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it ideal for backpackers who need to save space and weight in their packs. The entire cooking system, including the burner and fuel canister, nestles perfectly within the 1-liter cooking cup, reducing the footprint to just 4.1 by 7.1 inches. The cooking cup itself is insulated with a cozy to keep your hands from burning, and it has a drink-through lid so you can sip directly from the cup without needing an extra mug. One of the Flash's standout features is the color-changing heat indicator on the cozy, which changes from blue to orange as the water heats up, taking the guesswork out of boiling water. Additionally, the reliable push-button igniter ensures you won't have to fumble with matches or a lighter, even in windy conditions. With a fuel efficiency of 12 liters of water per 100 grams of JetBoil fuel, the Flash offers an impressive combination of speed, efficiency, and convenience. Whether you're boiling water for freeze-dried meals, making coffee, or even heating soup, the JetBoil Flash is the go-to stove for quick, efficient cooking in the great outdoors. Number 5. MSR Windburner Stove System. Next, let's talk about the MSR Windburner Stove System, the go-to solution for campers who often face unpredictable weather conditions. The Windburner is built with one goal in mind: to deliver consistent performance regardless of the weather. Whether you're up in the mountains or camping in windy valleys, this stove will keep your flames strong and your meal hot. The heart of the Windburner system is its radiant burner, which is encased in a windproof design that allows the stove to perform reliably even in the harshest conditions. Unlike traditional open-flame stoves, the Windburner's radiant burner is shielded from the elements, so wind and cold have little to no effect on its efficiency. This makes it particularly valuable for high-altitude or winter camping, where other stoves might struggle to maintain heat. The Windburner comes with a 1-liter pot that integrates directly with the stove. This pot includes a built-in heat exchanger, which wraps around the burner and maximizes the transfer of heat, reducing fuel consumption and speeding up boil times. On average, it takes just 4.5 minutes to boil a liter of water, and the integrated design means you won't lose heat to the surrounding air. What truly sets the Windburner apart is its modularity. The stove system is designed to work with a range of accessories, such as a coffee press, skillet, or larger pots, making it versatile enough for various cooking needs. The entire system nests within the pot, making it easy to pack and carry. At 15.5 ounces, it's slightly heavier than the JetBoil Flash, but the trade-off is unparalleled reliability in bad weather. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. The Windburner can boil up to 17 liters of water with a single 8-ounce canister of MSR IsoPro fuel. This high efficiency, combined with its robust design, makes it ideal for extended trips where reliability and fuel conservation are paramount. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a small group, the MSR Windburner ensures that your meals are always hot, no matter the weather conditions. Number 4. Coleman Classic Propane Stove. Finally, we have the Coleman Classic Propane Stove, a tried-and-true favorite among campers who need power, durability, and ease of use in one package. If you're planning to cook more elaborate meals or are camping with a group, the Coleman Classic's dual-burner setup offers the flexibility and performance you need to cook like a pro, even in the great outdoors. The Coleman Classic features two independently adjustable burners, each delivering up to 10,000 BTUs of cooking power for a combined total of 20,000 BTUs. This powerful output means you can easily fry, boil, simmer, and cook just about anything you'd prepare at home, whether it's a hearty breakfast of eggs and bacon or a full dinner of pasta and sauce. The burners are spaced far enough apart to accommodate larger pots and pans, giving you the versatility to cook multiple dishes at once. What makes this stove truly camping-friendly is its wind block panels. These side panels help shield the burners from the wind, ensuring that your flame stays consistent even in breezy conditions. The panels are also adjustable, so you can move them to fit larger pans if necessary, making the stove even more versatile. The Coleman Classic runs on standard 16.4-ounce propane cylinders, which are widely available and easy to use. With a single cylinder, you can get up to an hour of cooking time on high heat, making it a reliable option for longer trips where refueling might not be an option. Durability is another key feature of the Coleman Classic. It's built with heavy-duty steel that's designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, from the rough handling of being packed and unpacked to exposure to the elements. The stove also features a heavy-duty latch to keep the lid securely closed during transport. When it's time to clean up, the chrome-plated grate is removable and easy to wipe down, making maintenance a breeze. For those who need a dependable, powerful stove that can handle group cooking in rugged conditions, the Coleman Classic Propane Stove remains an unbeatable choice. Whether you're heading out for a weekend trip or an extended adventure, this stove's combination of power, durability, and ease of use makes it a must-have for any serious camper. Number 3. Camp Chef Everest 2X High Pressure Stove. For campers who want a powerful cooking experience that rivals their home kitchen, the Camp Chef Everest 2X High Pressure Stove is a top contender. This stove is designed to deliver serious cooking power, making it an excellent choice for those who love preparing gourmet meals in the wild. With two high-pressure burners, each pumping out 20,000 BTUs, the Everest 2X allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, whether you're boiling water, frying bacon, or simmering a pot of stew. One of the standout features of the Everest 2X is its precise simmer control, which allows you to easily adjust the heat from a roaring boil to a gentle simmer, making it versatile for a variety of cooking styles. The burners are protected by stainless steel windshields on 3 sides, ensuring consistent performance even in windy conditions. This wind resistance is crucial when you're camping in exposed areas where gusts could otherwise disrupt your cooking. The stove's durable construction is evident in its robust, heavy-duty latches and a strong steel body that's built to last. Despite its power and durability, the Everest 2X is surprisingly portable. It features a compact design with a convenient carry handle, making it easy to pack and transport. The stove operates on standard 16.4-ounce propane cylinders, and its efficient burners ensure you get the most out of each canister, giving you extended cooking time without the need for frequent refueling. Weighing in at just 12 pounds, the Camp Chef Everest 2X is relatively lightweight for a stove with such high power output. It's an ideal choice for car campers, RV travelers, and anyone who needs the power and versatility of a full kitchen in the great outdoors. If you're planning a camping trip where food is a central part of the experience, the Everest 2X will help you cook up a storm, making your campsite the place everyone wants to gather. Number 2. BioLite Camp Stove 2+. If you're an eco-conscious camper looking for a stove that offers both cooking power and sustainability, the BioLite Camp Stove 2+ is the perfect pick. This innovative stove doesn't just cook your meals, it also generates electricity from the heat of the fire, allowing you to charge your devices while you cook. The Camp Stove 2+ uses renewable biomass, like sticks, twigs, and pine cones, as fuel, eliminating the need for heavy fuel canisters and reducing your carbon footprint. The stove's thermoelectric generator converts the heat from the fire into electricity, which is stored in an integrated 3200 mAh battery. This battery can then be used to charge your phone, GPS, or other small devices via a USB port, providing a convenient power source in the backcountry. The BioLite Camp Stove 2+ also features a smart LED dashboard that displays real-time information on fire strength, power output, and fan speed, helping you optimize your cooking and charging efficiency. In terms of cooking performance, the Camp Stove 2+ is highly effective. It can boil a liter of water in about 4.5 minutes, comparable to many gas stoves. The stove's internal fan stokes the fire, creating a hotter and more efficient burn with less smoke, which is a significant advantage in areas where fire bans are in place or where you want to minimize your impact on the environment. The stove is compact and lightweight, weighing just 2.06 pounds, making it easy to pack along with your other gear. The integrated battery also serves as a power bank, so even if you don't have a fire going, you can still charge your devices. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus is ideal for those who value sustainability, innovation, and multifunctionality. It's a fantastic choice for solo adventurers or small groups who want to minimize their reliance on traditional fuel sources while enjoying the added benefit of on-the-go power generation. Number 1. Snopeak LiteMax Titanium Stove. For those who prioritize ultra-lightweight gear and minimalism in their camping setup, the Snopeak LiteMax Titanium Stove is a perfect match. This stove is one of the lightest options on the market, weighing in at a mere 1.9 ounces, making it ideal for backpackers who count every ounce. Despite its featherweight design, the LiteMax delivers impressive performance, providing a reliable flame for cooking in a variety of conditions. The LiteMax is constructed from a combination of titanium and aluminum, ensuring both durability and a lightweight build. The stove features a wide burner head that distributes heat evenly across the bottom of your pot, reducing the risk of hot spots and uneven cooking. With a heat output of 11,200 BTUs, the LiteMax is powerful enough to quickly boil water or cook a simple meal. Yet, it's easy to control, allowing you to simmer as needed. One of the standout features of the LiteMax is its compact design. The stove's arms fold down, allowing it to fit into even the smallest of spaces in your pack. This compact size, combined with its ultra-lightweight, makes it an excellent choice for thru-hikers, climbers, and anyone who needs to pack light without sacrificing functionality. The LiteMax operates on standard isobutane canisters, which are easy to find and provide a clean, efficient burn. Its simple, straightforward design means there are no complicated parts or mechanisms to worry about, making it incredibly reliable and easy to use. The Snopeak LiteMax Titanium Stove is the ideal choice for minimalist campers who need a dependable, no-frills stove that won't weigh them down on the trail. Bonus tip: when choosing a camping stove, consider carrying a small, portable windscreen. It can significantly improve your stove's efficiency in windy conditions by protecting the flame and conserving fuel, making your outdoor cooking experience smoother and more reliable. And that wraps up our top camping stoves of 2024. Whether you need speed, power, or portability, these stoves have got you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more gear reviews and tips.